Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my ultimate face prep routine before makeup, and it will be featuring some very amazing products that will leave your skin feeling flawless and also radiant, giving you a beautiful and natural glow. Now, let's dive right in. First up is this incredible brightening serum with vitamin C and turmeric. I like to apply this right after cleansing my face. Just a few drops here and there and massage it until it's completely absorbed. It really helps to wake up my skin and give it a fresh and radiant look. I go ahead to dry it down with my mini fan. Next is this age fighting face moisturizer, which is perfect for keeping my skin hydrated and plump. Oh my god, I'm almost 40, so I'm not sleeping on my age fighting moisturizers. Then I completely forgot about my lips, so I went in with this rose hip oil and vitamin E sleep mask from GLAMFOX. I love it. A little goes a long way to keep my lips hydrated and very smooth. For those of us with combination and oily skin, this mattifying T-zone serum is a lifesaver. It helps control shine and keep your T-zone matte throughout the day. I focus this serum on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, and it helps to keep those areas shine free before drying out my skin. It's a must have, and I make sure to dry down every product before I go in with the next. Now I go ahead to apply the prismatic blurring surface hydrator. This product is amazing for creating a smooth blurred finish on my skin. It's like a primer and a hydrator all in one, and is also infused with hyaluronic acid. Look, I apply this to areas where I have large pores or texture issues. It gives my skin such a beautiful velvety finish and perfect for makeup application. Of course, I dry it down before going on the last product. And the very last one is going to be this rose dewy glow. This face mist doesn't only set the stage for my makeup, but it also gives my skin a dewy, refreshed look. A few spritzes of this and my skin feels so hydrated and glowy. Of course, I dry it down. I hope you like this video. Let me know what else you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Love you. Till next time. Bye.